Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'll show you how you can wirelessly screen share from an iPad to an Airtame screen. In order to screen share with Airtame, you will need an Airtame screen, which is the TV I have up on the wall, and make sure that you can see the 5-character pairing code for the Airtame screen. We'll also need to, of course, use our iPad, and we're gonna need to install the Airtame application on our iPad. So if I zoom in on our iPad here, simply head over to the App Store, search for Airtame and install the Airtame application. Once it's installed, open up the Airtame application and you will be prompted to enter a 5-character pairing code. The 5-character pairing code is something you will read off of the Airtame screen. So I'll just make sure that I can see my screen here and then enter the pairing code. Keep in mind that the pairing code here is actually not case sensitive. So even though the pairing code will appear in uppercase, you don't need to capitalize each of the letters. Once we are connected to our Airtame screen, I will tap on the big blue share screen button on my tablet in order to connect to the Airtame screen and start sharing. Then I'll confirm by selecting start sharing, and then lastly I will give my iPad permission to share my content into the Airtame app. So I will tap on start broadcast, and from here we will start screen sharing directly to our big screen. From here, I can simply navigate my iPad as I want to. For example, I could head into Safari and then open up the, in this case, the Airtame website, and easily navigate around and show whatever content is relevant. Once I'm done with my screen sharing session, I can either tap on the red icon in the top menu and select stop broadcasting, or I can head back to the Airtame app and select stop sharing from here. As soon as I stop sharing, my Airtame screen will revert back to its home screen, and the application will also revert back so I can screen share to another screen if I want to. So this has been a short demo on how you can screen share from an iPad to an Airtame screen using the Airtame app. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.